Okay, just found this here in Las Vegas. I don't know if you can read that. That's right, Dunlap. Let's take it in the garage, see what we got. Okay, what we got here is a Dunlap Lathe, the pulley. This is the headstock right here. Here's our tool rest right there. And way over here yonder, well, that's the, let's see if I can move the camera a little bit. That's our tailstock. Now, I don't like the tailstock on this. It did come with a mounting plate to do bowls and stuff with. I don't know if I'll use it or not. But it's a stationary, you lock it in place. Let's get on the other side. Stationary, the tailstock doesn't spin. I don't want it to be able to spin. This is just really, really pretty. I like the curves and all the detail it has on it. It has that on both ends, just nice and rounded. The bearings are free, but we have a lot of rust. So let's get started on this thing and tear it apart and throw it in the sandblaster. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is undo the headstock. Looks like it's just a bolt in here. I'm going to save all of our pieces because I'm actually going to sandblast each washer. There's our headstock. And we'll throw that whole thing right into the sandblaster. I believe the belt's still good. It's old, but we're going to use that. This just simply comes apart. Now we'll get on the tailstock. You can see how gross this was and what it looks like now. And I'm looking to see if it matters which way the tailstock goes back on or which way the headstock goes back on. Make sure the holes are all the same in this thing. And there's only one way to put the tailstock piece back on. There we go. The only thing we have left was this, and that came right out. So what you can see over there is my sandblaster. I'm going to turn my compressor on and get started. Okay, we have our pieces in my sandblasting cabinet. What I'm waiting for right now is for the pressure to build up. I like to go at least around 60 to 80, even 100 pounds psi. It'll do okay at 45 to 50 and above. It's a lot slower though, so we're going to wait and let the pressure build up. I just turned it back on the compressor. I don't leave it running all the time. I have one of these units here. It's a soda blaster. I haven't built my reclaim system for it yet. That mounts right into my tank also, into my box, and that one's not going to be used today. So we're just using sand that I got down at Home Depot. This is a masonry sand, and it just sucks right back the hose. It has a tube that I mounted to the base, and you can see how the underside here is shaped, and it'll just suck all that sand in. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see how it works out. I like to make sure yeah, we're getting good sand. It's not going to be really easy for you guys to see a lot of this. Some of this I'm going to do in the wire wheel on the outside. Okay, so let's see what we've done so far. You can see where I've cleaned it off. You can actually see the blue is coming through. And I'll go ahead and finish this up on my own now without you guys.